Galaxy Z Fold 4 is here. No need to wait for the Unpacked event. Hello guys, Noor here. So today we have the actual specs and features of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in addition to leaked high quality pictures revealing the final look and colors of the phone. So let's dive in. So we will get a 120Hz refresh rate on both the outer and the inner displays with much thinner bezels than what we've got on the Z Fold 3. And of course we mustn't forget about the thinner hinge. Samsung also used its brightest display on the Z Fold 4, maxing out to 1000 nits, and on top of that they covering the display with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for the ultimate protection to make the phone Samsung's best foldable phone ever. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and that will give the phone boost up to 15% in CPU and 59% in GPU and 68% in NPU. Also, the battery can be charged in half an hour to 50% at charging speed of 25 watt with 4400 mAh. And of course, the phone supports the S Pen, and I will mention the price tag in the last part of the video, so make sure to stay till the end. While we're just a few days apart from the Unpacked event, we got leaks of the Z Fold 4. In these photos, we see every aspect of the phone, and seems that the phone will have three colors: black, beige, and bluish gray, which looks fascinating. And also we have these exclusive cases for the phone. We have a black one and two clear cases. And in this photo we see more convenient cases, ones with kickstand and ones with S Pen holder and others with MagSafe too. Samsung will release the 256GB and 512GB Galaxy Z Fold 4 in Europe for 1,799 euros and 1,919 euros, which are around 1,830 and 1,952 US dollars. That's it for today guys. Share the video with family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.